Hi Drastic Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw a mermaid, so let's get started. To draw this mermaid, let's start by drawing her face. So I'm going to come right here and basically draw the bottom of a U. So it's a little bit wider, so I'm going to come right across about right here. And go ahead and connect it with a curve at the bottom. There, so nice wide bottom of a U. And now that we have that in, let's come back to where we started on the edge, and I'm going to draw a circle for the eyes. So another circle right here. And let's come in here and make them draw so cute eyes. So 2 small circles inside for highlights. And a curved line at the bottom. And shade in the top. And the lines at the bottom. Same thing over here. Okay, so we have the eyes in. Now let's come in here, we're going to add some lashes. So I'm just going to come to the side right here and draw 2 curves for lashes. And then let's come to the center right here and draw a smile for a mermaid. And cap it off. There. Okay, so then now let's go ahead and draw her hair. So I'm going to bring this up a little bit more. And then I know she has bangs I'm drawing over here. So in this area right above this line, I'm going to draw a little flower. So just in this little corner, I'm going to start about right here. So just going to draw a 5-petal flower. Or you can make it a starfish. And just going to add maybe 3 small circles inside for some details. Then I'll finish off my line right here, whatever space I have left. And so then from there, I'm going to go ahead and draw her bangs. So I'm going to start with where this flower is, about in this area. I'm just going to draw a curve for a strand of hair, go up. And I'm going to bring a curve down. Wave it a little bit and come right back down to where we started on this side. And then in this area, now that we have the space left, let's come above about right here. I'm just going to draw a curve for her brow. And same thing over here. There. Now we have our brow in. Okay, so then let's see here. Let's finish this strand of hair. I'm going to continue this down. So just nice smooth curve that comes down. And it's going to loop up. I'm going to have this strand loop up. And then before we finish that, let's come back to this part right here. Where this flower is, we're going to imagine this curve coming through up. So about right here it will continue. And we're just going to draw a big curve that comes up. And we're going to come back down. Let's see, and bring it all the way down to finish this curve right here. There, so one big strand. Okay, so then now let's go ahead and we're going to draw another curve right here for this strand on the side. And I realized I have to stop right there because I have to draw her body before I figure out where the strand goes. So let's leave her hair as is now, and let's go ahead and draw her body first. So let's come to the center right here. I'm going to give her a little neck right in the center, and then we're going to bring down a curve for her shoulder. There. Okay, so then from there I'm going to come, just imagining her armpits are about right there, but I need to draw her little top. So I'll just come to the center, say about right here. Just give myself a point, and I'm going to aim towards this area. And come over here right in the center and bring another curve down. And I'm just going to round it off right here. And same thing over here. And you can add 2 little lines in here for details if you like. Let's come right underneath here, and we're going to draw a slight angle line on both sides. And then we're going to say about right there, I'll cut it off with a curve. And then I'm going to draw a little skirt for her. So it's going to flare out. And I'm going to go ahead and connect it with a bunch of curves. And then I'm going to go back up. So notice it just curves down and goes back up. And let's come here. I'm just going to add detail, another line. Oops. Their belly button right here. And let's see, you can add some lines right here. So now that her skirt's done, let's go ahead and draw her tail. So I'm just going to bring this right underneath her hip, so it's going to come out about right here. And let's swish a curve for the tail. So I'm just going to bring this down, and we're tapering and getting thinner as we come down. So this is going to curve back and forth, so you can see how long you want your tail to be. And about right there, I'm just going to bring this down and follow it and connect it. Then from there, let's go ahead and draw the tail. So I'm going to come up, tail fin. I'm going to make it extra big just to give it some flair. And bring it back into the center. And same thing on this side. Down. And connect. And add some lines if you like, or you can do it when you're coloring. And you can add some curves right here for indication of scales. Or you can, once again, just do that when you're coloring it so it's not so harsh. So now that this part's all done, let's go and draw her hands. So I'm making it nice and simple. I'm just going to bring it close to her body. So let's see here, just flare it out. About right there. Fingers and a thumb. And just bring it right back in. So we're kind of using this curve to draw her hand as well. And then if you like, you can add another finger right here. And let's do the same thing on this side. So it's going to be close to her body because we're using this curve as well to finish her, draw her hand. So once again, the same area about right there. Thumb. Finger and another one in the back. There. Okay, so then now you can draw some details if you like. You can add a little strap here if you like. And you can maybe give her a pearl necklace. So I'm just going to add a bunch of circles here. One more. There. Now she's accessorized. Okay, so then finally I can draw this strand of hair. So now I can go ahead and just bring this down. And I'm just going to curve it right here and bring it really close to her shoulder and in. And so then now for the rest of her hair, I'm going to add another strand right here just to give it a little bit more motion and volume to her hair. So right above her top right here, let's bring this down, curve it out. So my goal is just to add a lot of motion, like she's in the water. So another strand, let's see, about right here. And this is going to be the big strand, and it's going to come all the way across. So it's going to come all the way. So when you're coloring it, just make sure to color this part as well for her hair. Okay, so and then if you like, you can add some bubbles around her so it looks like she's in the water. So there, I hope you love my Draw So Cute Mermaid and it inspires you to draw it too. Thanks so much for watching, and if you loved it, please make sure to subscribe and turn on your notification bell so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.